Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another weekly tip video. Back in 2018, Mike covered a great application for manipulating text on iOS, and that's TextCase. Since then, the app has matured significantly, despite being great even then, so we thought it would be a good idea to show you how much it has grown, and a couple of the new features that take it to a new level. Now, if you're unfamiliar with what TextCase does, check that video out, it's number 788. It's only 5 minutes long and it will serve as a good intro to this one. Okay, I've opened the app for the first time on this device, and if you've seen the previous tip video, you'll see it's already different because we're taken directly to the Flows page, which is one of the new features in TextCase. Now, all of the formatting transformations are contained here in the Formats section, and we have a lot more here, and they're split into sections. So we've got titles up here, we've got URL and common text transformations here, then we have text cleansing, programming, and others. And as I move, we can see how much more we can do with TextCase now. I'll just bring this back up to the top. And then to the right, we have the settings, and I'll just briefly touch on these now. So first off, we can change the app icon. And there's lots of good choices here to select from. Then we have the share extension, and we'll look at how this share extension works right at the end of the screencast. But you can choose whether you want them to show options for both flows and formats, or just flows or formats. And don't worry about not knowing what flows are just yet, all will become very clear very soon. There is also a custom dictionary just here to house custom nouns, and this allows you to manually specify the capitalization of words when you're using title or sentence case. And you can add new ones in here as well with the plus button. Let's look at how we manually format text first of all, now that the layout has changed. So if I select a transformation type here, this title case one will do. I can tap up here and manually type in some text. And as I do, we can see in the pane below how that text is going to look when it's completed. And I can copy this to the clipboard ready for pasting into another app. We can also add text directly from the clipboard. So I'll switch across here to drafts quickly. Go to my list of drafts. I'll select this one. Then all of this text. I select copy. Then switch back across to TextCase and tap use text from clipboard. And we can see that it's taken that copy text and carried the transformation out below. And let's check that same text with a different transformation type here. I'll scroll down. Let's select lowercase here. I'll use the text from the clipboard. And in the lower window, we can see that it's made it all lowercase. Okay, tapping back. And you can search for the transformation type that you want because there are so many now. Let's cancel that there.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.